of Savior King, do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide by all the rules of the games, that I will respect all calls and decisions of the referees and game officials, and that I will act at all times as a true sportsman whose desire to win is only second to the love of the game itself. I further solemnly declare that each game is a friendly contest done in the spirit of camaraderie and true friendship, where we triumph as considerate victors or losers with grace and determination.